17% battery left. Let's hope we make it. I can't plug into charge at the moment because I've got a CB radio plugged into my my auxiliary socket. I've only got the one in the front and one in the boot, but that's too far away for the radio to stretch. So I need to get myself an extension or a little splitter thing. Then I could just keep the camera plugged in. Well, the battery dies when the battery dies. Oh, okay, that's not ideal. That's on record. Someone lost their trousers there by the look of it. I think it was trousers.